Okay, all my subscribers and everybody else. So with the new crypto news, obviously you know that I'm involved in a lot of tech and basically staying on top of all the markets, stock and crypto. And basically, there's one piece I want to tell you here that you should concentrate on. Ripple is a private company, Ripple RXP, or XRP, I should say. And they've surged, of course, in the last few months and caught a lot of attention. Now, the market took a dive today because basically Korean regulations and investigations and taking off the market somewhat of some of the exchange pieces and causing basically a shake in the markets. And you can see where Bitcoin here has, and I apologize for the bad video, but just on a very flip fast going here. I get out and do some stuff. Bitcoin, you can see, has dropped down. So is Ethereum. And Ripple, of course, has been in third place now for a long time, even surged to second place. Now, Ripple is a private company. It's using tokens, not coins. And as a private company, Ripple has a software that they've been doing now for years that have signed on American Express and a lot of the big banks. And just today announced that they signed on MoneyGram. They also announced, too, that they have 3 of the top 5 money transfer companies online to sign up with them. And when you think about this, Visa is one of those. And they already have American Express. These guys can transfer money with their software only in 3 to 4 seconds versus everybody else with Bitcoin a couple hours and everybody else even longer than that. Banks doing a much longer transfer. So even with Bitcoin doing 2 hours, these institutions are signing on with Ripple, private company in business now for over 5 years, and taking and adapting their XRP software. And it's rapid sending and transparent also. Now you can see here with their market cap and volume, circulating supply. You can see where Ripple has a high amount. Now, Ripple is the only one, as you can see right now, that is doing good in the top 5. And why is that? They were down to a little bit because of with the Korean market shakeup in the last couple of days. And then Ripple is strong right now during all the bad news of the Korean market. Why? Because they just announced MoneyGram. They're going to be announcing the other, 2 of the 5, because MoneyGram is one of the top 5. They're going to be announcing 2 of the other 5 pretty soon. And also the Japanese exchange with 27 million members. But basically they're going to be not 27 million buying Ripple, but they're listing Ripple on a new exchange that they have. And there's going to be a lot of exposure on that Japanese exchange, which is starting in another 1 hour. Right now it's 11:06 Eastern Standard Time. And what you have right here is an opportunity to get in and buy Ripple at $2.14. And this is going to surge. Basically over the next month, 3 months, year, being that they're a private company, this is going to just keep going up, up, and up. And why? Because they have assets. And the assets that they are selling and signing on these companies, and again, American Express, banks, now MoneyGram, you have a company that's going to be one of the forefront companies for money transfers worldwide, rapid transfer. And why are these people signing up? It reduces their costs, speeds up the transfers to a blink of an eye, basically, and really reduces their costs big time. So these companies are, very smart signing on with Ripple. You can go to ripple.com, get all the information with the news. On Twitter, Ripple is the place to be. If you want to have a secure, long-lasting, and great profit maker, that's Ripple. You can go up and down with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everybody else in a very volatile market. But if you want somebody that is going to be steady and making you money over the years to come, and most likely, being that they are a private company, will eventually go with a public offering, IPO with stock, converting. And just put it this way, you know as well as I do, if you have Ripples stored and you have Ripples in your possession at time of announcement, they will automatically convert those to a stock and offering, and you'll get paid that way. And then watch that if it does go to the stock markets. And why would they think about doing that? They're a private company working with all the banks, working with all the, companies like American Express, Visa. Why would they not want to? They can take and they're going to be, these two guys that run this Ripple are billionaires, even trillionaires down the road. They're first trillionaires. They'd be stupid not to go public eventually. Because again, it's not a currency, it's a token you're getting. The Ripple XRP token. And they're worth $2.14 a piece right now. And they're going to be surging, like I said, in just starting today and onward. Sure, there'll be dips. Don't worry about that. Like every market, they go up and down. But what you can see here is during this down day today, look at across the board, down, 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 all the way back. Okay, and you can see the only one that's progressing. Okay, and it's up 8.77 today. Now Ripple has been in the news. Ripple has been all over the financial news on TV for the cable networks, Fox, CNBC. These guys are just going forward, and just great news coming out of their company today with signing on Moneygram. So if I were you, grab the Ripple. Don't look at the naysayers saying how it dropped in the last week. This came from 30 cents a piece weeks ago, and now it even reached almost $4 before the good news came out. And now with the Japanese market opening up today at noontime, and then you have basically the Moneygram news, eventually down the road, Visa most likely signing on. Don't be stupid. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. This is my disclaimer. I am just telling you that if you think about this and look at this, on a bad day because of the announcement of the Korean markets, look what's going on. So if you want something that's reliable, what I'm going to do, I've already got Ripple, I'm going to buy more Ripple. That's just what I'm going to do. All right, so think about it.